Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to use Shaantabai and create skill sets in it. So first, let's go to shaantabai.com. Currently, it only allows login through Google account. It won't take long to fix that, but for now, it's not a priority. For this video, we will create a chatbot to fix a car. Let's first see what happens if we ask something to Shaantabai that it doesn't know about. It takes a bit of a time as it tries to get information from Mistral, which is our backend AI model. Okay, so now let's try to create our skill set. Let's go to skill set designer. The first box here allows us to search existing skills and edit them. The bottom box is an experimental feature which we will talk about later. Let's click on add a new skill. Let me quickly explain what all these buttons do here. The add button here is used to add sections which can be used to add additional functionalities. Like the chat section is used to display text, we can add other sections with data such as scriptlets or codes to perform tasks or call APIs, or we can add some instruction for, say, a microcontroller. We just need to read those specific sections to add those functionalities. The close button is to cancel the creation. The airplane button is the save button. The video button is to add a link to a YouTube video. It simply adds a section, except it automatically adds the HTML to embed the video. The next button is to add PowerShell command. We will add functionality to create PowerShell commands automatically as per the description, but for now it simply adds the section name PowerShell and we need to manually add the commandlets. Please check the next video to see how the PowerShell functionality works. Of course, we have plans to connect to everything that goes online in future. Now here, in order to create the skills, we need to add tags, titles, descriptions, and what to ask in the chat. The bottom box is an AI assistant which we can utilize to automatically create all these sections and then edit it. So we will do the same. We can verify everything. We need to ensure that tags, titles, and descriptions make sense. What we need to ensure is that there is a difference between the statements problems with the car and problems starting the car. So title must have the information so that the right thing shows up when user searches it, like we do here for other skills. You will notice that when it comes to finding skills similar
You might be wondering why I go through all the hassle of creating skills one by one for your company's chatbot rather than just training an AI. First, when you use this method, you don't generate tokens again and again. That means costs come down drastically while your bot is way too faster, as you can see. Scaling up is also cheaper, and correcting mistakes or updating the skill is faster too. The results are also predictable and deterministic. Another part to it is the context and hallucination. Most AIs need more and more VRAM to accommodate context. Apart from the logistics and the costs involved, lot of us may not be very comfortable with AI storing their context. Shantabai doesn't keep context. User experience is handled in a very different way. It's still in progress, but it is an entirely different approach and it respects individual boundaries. Also, no context means no hallucination and lower cost. Shantabai is not just for building chatbots, it can be connected to other systems. Please check subsequent video where we see how to build skills that can run on PowerShell. We are still developing a lot of features, but we would like to ensure that you get the features without compromising on your security or your free will. Thank you.